Right, you lot! Welcome to the channel. Today we are not messing about with greasy fry-ups. We are diving headfirst into 5 healthy breakfast recipes that'll have you feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. Forget those sugary cereals and pastries. We're talking proper nutritious food that doesn't compromise on flavor. Get your aprons on, sharpen your knives, and let's get cracking. Now, overnight oats. Don't look at me like that. This isn't some bland, mushy slop. This is a game changer. Take your oats, not the instant rubbish, mind you, the proper rolled oats, and soak them overnight in milk, yogurt, or even almond milk if you're feeling fancy. Then, the real magic begins. We're layering in flavors like a bloody masterpiece. Fresh berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, a drizzle of honey, not too much, you don't want it sickly sweet, and a handful of chopped nuts for some crunch. Think textures, people. Don't just chuck it all in, build it up. A layer of oats, a layer of fruit, a sprinkle of seeds. You get the picture. This isn't just breakfast, it's a bloody work of art. And the best part, you make it the night before, so no more frantic morning scrambles. Just grab it from the fridge and you're good to go. This isn't rocket science, it's common sense. Get it done. Smoothie bowls, right? Not just some blended mush, but a vibrant, colorful explosion of flavor and nutrients. Start with a base of frozen fruit, berries, bananas, mango, whatever tickles your fancy. Then we're adding some greens. Don't pull that face. Spinach, kale, even a bit of avocado for some creaminess. You won't even taste it, I promise. Blitz it all together until smooth, then pour it into a bowl. Now this is where the fun begins. We're talking toppings, people. A sprinkle of granola, some fresh fruit, a dollop of yogurt, a drizzle of nut butter. Make it look like a bloody Jackson Pollock painting, for crying out loud. Don't be shy with the colors and textures. This is your chance to get creative. And remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about packing in those nutrients. So get those creative juices flowing and make a breakfast that's as delicious as it is healthy. Don't disappoint me. Chapter 3. Meal prep like a pro. Meal prepping is not just for fitness fanatics. It's for anyone who wants to eat healthy without the hassle. We're talking roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, quinoa salads, the whole 9 yards. Cook once, eat all week. It's that simple. Get your proteins, your carbs, your healthy fats all sorted and portioned out. No more last-minute takeaways, no more sad desk lunches. You're in control. Think roasted sweet potatoes, vibrant broccoli, perfectly seasoned chicken breast. Pack it all up in airtight containers, ready to grab and go. This isn't just about saving time. It's about taking charge of your health. So get organized, get prepping, and fuel your body with the good stuff. Bloody brilliant! Chapter 4. Salad Sensations. Salads. Not just rabbit food, but a vibrant, exciting meal. We're talking crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and a whole lot more. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and textures. A sprinkle of feta, a handful of toasted nuts, a drizzle of homemade dressing. This isn't just about throwing some leaves in a bowl. It's about creating a culinary masterpiece. Think about the balance of flavors, the crunch, the freshness, and for God's sake, make your own dressing. None of that bottled rubbish. A simple vinaigrette, a creamy tahini dressing, even a spicy peanut sauce. The possibilities are endless. So ditch the boring salads and embrace the world of flavor. Come on. Chapter 5. One pan dinners. Minimal fuss, maximum flavor. One pan dinners. The holy grail of weeknight cooking. Minimal fuss, maximum flavor, and even less washing up. We're talking roasted chicken and vegetables, sheet pan fajitas, even one pan pasta dishes. Chuck it all in the oven and let it do its magic. Think juicy chicken thighs, colorful peppers, crispy potatoes, all roasted to perfection in a single pan. No more mountains of dishes, no more complicated recipes. Just simple, delicious food that's ready in a flash. This is cooking at its finest. So, ditch the takeaway menus and embrace the one-pan wonder. You won't regret it. Delicious! Outro: healthy eating made easy. So there you have it. 5 healthy and delicious recipes to get you started on your culinary journey. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's about experimenting with flavors, textures, and ingredients. Get creative in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you next time.